Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna give you a quick review of the eyeliner that I've tried. These are the Wardah eyeliner. One is the Wardah EyeXpert Staylast liquid eyeliner, and the other one is the Wardah Eyeliner Pencil in black. I'm not an expert in eyeliner, that's one thing for sure. It's been so long since I've actually even touched an eyeliner. If I ever use an eyeliner, it will be more of like the mechanical kind of eyeliner where you can twist it out, and then it's usually not black, it's usually brown or something that's more of a natural color. Safely say that I've not used eyeliner for at least, as in liquid eyeliner, for at least 2 years plus, I guess. Having this dark liquid eyeliner on my eyes is quite weird, it's quite bizarre, and I'm not used to it. Let's first talk about the liquid eyeliner. This one, it says to be smudge proof, it has bold color. Oh my god, this is in BM. Membingkai matamu dengan warna hitam yang intense. Basically kind of frames your eyes with super black and intense liner. Long lasting, easy to remove with warm water. The packaging itself, it feels very cheap. It's very plasticky, it's very light, okay? It's nothing very luxurious here. The design wise of it, it's very handy, very easy to use for sure, because they have like a very long ended sort of like holder, so it's easy for your hands to hold. So it makes it easier for beginners like me to use because of the felt tip, which is much easier to use than an actual brush. I think the drying time is actually quite okay. Like if it's not my first time in 2 years, I would think that the drying time is quite okay. Like it gives you just enough time for you to draw, and then it dries well. It doesn't stay liquid for too long. As for the formula wise, it's definitely dries down matte. It doesn't dries down shiny, which is great because I don't like liquid eyeliner that kind of dries down shiny. But even though it dries down matte, this one is the type where it kind of leaves a film type of eyeliner where you apply on and it dries off like a piece kind of thing. Usually this kind of eyeliner, this kind of finishes eyeliner kind of lasts quite long on the eyes, okay? It doesn't smudge very easily. As long as you don't go and scrape the eyeliner off, it should last on the eyes quite well. Definitely is very black, very dark, the color. When it comes to removal wise, I think you just use like a micellar water as well. It's good enough for you to be able to remove this liquid eyeliner, and it doesn't smudge all over the place. It kind of removes in like chunks, in pieces basically. Like a beginner liquid eyeliner, I think this is a pretty good one to try. The other one, this is the Wardah Eyeliner Pencil in black. This one is not twistable or anything. It's literally pencil, like old school pencil. Alright, you have to sharpen this with a sharpener sort of eyeliner. Yeah, this one smudged like crazy. So I use this also to kind of tight line. Okay, again with this liquid eyeliner, you cannot tight line with this. It will, if you get it on your lashes, it will kind of chunk up on your lashes, so you kind of need to remove the liquid eyeliner on your lashes so it doesn't look too weird. Definitely still need to tight line your eyes with sort of like a pencil kind of eyeliner. That's why I use this, okay? So this pencil eyeliner, I use this to kind of smudge it and tight line my eyes, basically to kind of just finish it up to make it look more complete. Usability is actually quite okay. It's easy to use. Personally, I still prefer the retractable kind of mechanical kind of pencil liner. This one, you really need to sharpen it. It's just a little bit more of a hassle of sharpening it. The shape could be very different at different times depending on how you sharpen it. This one, I still need to kind of warm up the liner behind my hands just so that it's smoother and easier to glide on my under eyes, and so that I don't hurt myself. I would definitely think that this pencil liner, it is dark. I wouldn't recommend using this if you are going out and about, but if you're just using it for like an indoor photo shoot and shit like that, then it's fine. You should still be able to last with this. It's just that really, if you're just going out, you're gonna sweat for sure. This is definitely not the pencil liner for you, okay? The liquid eyeliner, yes, I think for a cheap option and beginner option, this is a pretty good liquid eyeliner. Pencil liner, not so much. I would recommend you to go for a mechanical pencil liner for sure if you want to use it to tight line your eyes. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!